Welcome back, guys. Good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing fine. It's good to have you in this wonderful playlist about Vim. So, Vim means VI Improved. It's a text editor, just as you can all see on the official website, vim.org. And it can pretty much help us with editing and creating and changing text files very efficiently. So, I'll leave this in the description so you can, go over it and gets one or two very important informations here. Without further ado, let's dive into the terminal. So I'm going to do Control Alt T. So Control Alt T gives us access to the terminal, just as we already know. And maybe I think I should zoom. So maybe I should just, I don't know. Or is this like weird? Okay, I don't know. I think I should just go back to the normal mode. We're going to basically do three things in this first video. We're going to create a file with Vim, edit the file with Vim, and exit the file. So we won't just exit, we'll write what we've edited and exit. So let's dive into that. So the first thing would be to create a file with Vim. So let me just navigate into my documents directory. So I'll do cd means change directory. So documents, and let's create a file with Vim. So to create a file with Vim, you can do it either by saying Vim, then the file name. So let's say create.txt. So basically I'm creating a file with Vim. I'm saying create.txt, but I need to include like Vim create.txt. Another way to do this is to say vi create.txt. So let's hit enter. I've been launched into the Vim space. So let's do it the other way. Let's exit and let's do vi. Let me say create one.txt. The same thing, just as I explained earlier on. So, but let's just use, let's explore create.txt. If you prefer create one.txt, that's also fine. So I'm going to do Vim. I already have it created. Create, yeah, .txt. Awesome. So we've completed the first thing. The next thing would be to write into this file, edit this file. This file is empty. So let's see what we can do with it. So I can maybe begin to type things and you may see text all over the place, but it's inappropriate. It's always appropriate to go into a mode. So the mode that will enable us to key in text or whatsoever code, it's the insert mode. And to get into the insert mode, I just have to click I on my keyboard. So I believe we can all see insert here. So in this insert mode allows me to say, for example, the name of my dog is Hazard. Let me show some respect to Hazard. I love my dog. So we've just successfully, edited this file. Keyed in like two lines of text, series of text in this file. The next thing will be, what next, John? How can we exit this or leave this file or even save it? So to save a file in Vim, you need to do this. So colon, not this. This didn't work. So the first thing we have to do would be to exit the insert mode. To exit the insert mode, you have to click the escape key. So I'm going to hit the escape key once, and I just exited the insert mode. If I should key in I'm in the insert mode. To exit, escape key. So I now have to do the colon that I initially did there. If I should just do colon Q, I'm quitting without saving, but I want to save the file. And to save the file, I have to write what I just, the edit I made into the file. If I just hit enter, I can still continue making some edits. But then the idea is I want to write and quit. So since I've already written, I could just do quit and I'll just leave the file. So let's try it and see if what we wrote was actually saved. So when I hit enter, I've exited. So let's check. So I'll say cat create. So you see, we actually wrote and saved. But take for example that we want to write and save at the same time. We want to write, save, and exit at the same time. So let's go into create.txt and let's modify our file further. So recall I'm now in the start mode. So now I can say, my dog is 10. Okay, let's say 3 years old. 3 years old of age, 3 years old. That's fine. So now I want to save. You don't do Control S. This is a text editor. So I have to exit the insert mode, escape. Then I want to write and quit at the same time. So to do that, we're going to do colon and we're going to do WQ. So let me zoom in so you can see this properly. Don't mind, like, so I'm doing WQ. So let's go back and I'm running like Ubuntu, so I don't know. So let me hide this out. So WQ. Now, when I hit enter, I have written my edits into my file and I just exited properly. So let's confirm that we have those changes, effected. So I'm going to do cat, I'm going to say create txt, and we just have that. So that will be it for this video. I hope you gain something. It's very important that you gain something. And I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. If you're stressed, just take it easy. If you are going through maybe hard times, just take it easy. And I hope to see you in the next video. Just note that this series is just going to be about Vim. I also have other playlists uh, on other concepts on C, on the essentials of life, and also other scholarly insights. So explore them and do have a wonderful day. Bye.